Welcome to the Towards a Better Life channel, which is concerned with your health. In this video, I will present to you the 4 best fruits that you should eat for breakfast to get rid of kidney toxins. What's the most nutritious fruit for detoxing kidneys? Did you know that eating fruits for breakfast can help detoxify your kidneys? If you've ever wanted to boost kidney health, try adding these fruits to your breakfast routine. Number 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are considered a superfood due to their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. These antioxidants are responsible for the vibrant color of blueberries and have been extensively studied for their potential health benefits. One area of interest is their ability to protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage if their levels become too high. This oxidative damage is implicated in the development and progression of various kidney diseases, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, diabetic nephropathy, and kidney stones. The anthocyanins in blueberries act as powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and its harmful effects on kidney cells. Studies have shown that regular consumption of foods rich in antioxidants, such as blueberries, may help mitigate oxidative damage and protect kidney function. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries are also low in potassium. For individuals with kidney issues, especially those with impaired kidney function or on dialysis, managing potassium intake is crucial. High levels of potassium in the blood, hyperkalemia, can be dangerous for people with kidney problems, as the kidneys may not be able to effectively regulate potassium levels. Therefore, including low potassium foods like blueberries in the diet can be beneficial for individuals who need to monitor their potassium intake. Number 3. Cranberries. Cranberries have long been celebrated for their potential to promote urinary tract health, particularly in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. This beneficial effect is attributed to compounds known as proanthocyanidins, which are present in cranberries. Proanthocyanidins prevent harmful bacteria, especially Escherichia coli, E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. By inhibiting bacterial adhesion, cranberries make it more difficult for these pathogens to cause infections in the urinary system. UTIs are common infections that occur when bacteria, typically from the digestive tract, enter the urinary tract and multiply. If left untreated, UTIs can progress to more severe infections, such as kidney infections, pyelonephritis, which can lead to complications and compromise kidney function. By reducing the risk of UTIs, cranberries indirectly contribute to kidney health. When UTIs are prevented or promptly treated, the likelihood of bacteria reaching the kidneys and causing kidney infections is significantly reduced. This protective effect is especially important for individuals with underlying kidney conditions or those at higher risk of developing kidney infections. In addition to their role in urinary tract health, cranberries are also a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient with antioxidant properties that support overall immune function. A robust immune system is vital for maintaining kidney health, as it helps the body defend against infections and inflammation that can affect the kidneys. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C may directly benefit kidney health by reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a process characterized by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage. Chronic oxidative stress is implicated in the development and progression of kidney diseases, including chronic kidney disease, CKD. By providing antioxidants like vitamin C, cranberries contribute to a healthier internal environment that supports kidney function and overall well-being. In summary, cranberries offer multiple benefits for urinary tract and kidney health. Their proanthocyanidin content helps prevent UTIs, thereby reducing the risk of kidney infections. Additionally, the presence of vitamin C in cranberries supports immune function and provides antioxidant protection that may directly benefit kidney health by reducing oxidative stress. Incorporating cranberries into a balanced diet can be a proactive way to promote urinary and kidney health. Number 2. Apples. Apples are a versatile and nutritious fruit that offers several advantages for kidney health. One of the key benefits of apples is their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber like pectin. Soluble fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing kidney problems due to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. By helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, apples can reduce the risk of complications related to diabetes, such as diabetic nephropathy, kidney damage due to diabetes. High blood sugar levels over time can contribute to kidney damage, making it essential to manage blood glucose levels effectively. Additionally, the fiber content in apples supports digestive health, which indirectly benefits kidney function. A healthy digestive system promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. When waste products are efficiently eliminated from the body, it reduces the workload on the kidneys. Constipation and gastrointestinal issues can lead to toxin buildup and potential kidney stress, so maintaining good digestive health is crucial for overall kidney health. Moreover, apples are low in potassium, making them a suitable choice for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. High potassium levels, hyperkalemia, can be problematic for people with impaired kidney function, as the kidneys may struggle to excrete excess potassium from the bloodstream. Consuming low potassium foods like apples can help maintain potassium balance and support kidney health. In summary, apples offer a combination of benefits that support kidney health. High fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications related to diabetes. Fiber also supports digestive health, indirectly benefiting kidney function by reducing strain on the kidneys. Low potassium content makes apples suitable for individuals who need to manage their potassium intake due to kidney issues. Incorporating apples into a balanced diet can be an effective way to promote overall kidney health and support overall well-being. And now we have reached the end. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit that offers several advantages for kidney health. Its high water content makes it an excellent choice for maintaining hydration, which is essential for overall health and proper kidney function. Adequate hydration helps ensure that the kidneys can effectively filter waste products from the bloodstream and maintain electrolyte balance. In addition to hydration, watermelon provides essential nutrients, including lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that belongs to the carotenoid family and gives watermelon its characteristic red color. Antioxidants like lycopene play a crucial role in protecting cells, including kidney cells, from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Studies suggest that lycopene may have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are implicated in the development and progression of kidney diseases, such as chronic kidney disease, CKD, and nephropathy. By consuming lycopene-rich foods like watermelon, you can potentially reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in the kidneys, thus supporting kidney health. Furthermore, watermelon is a low-calorie fruit that can be a refreshing and nutritious addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Its natural sweetness makes it a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and desserts, which can contribute to metabolic issues and kidney strain if consumed in excess. In summary, watermelon offers several benefits for kidney health. Hydration. Its high water content helps maintain hydration, which is vital for kidney function. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in watermelon that may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, including the kidneys. Low-calorie and nutrient-rich. Watermelon provides essential nutrients without adding excessive calories or sugar to the diet, making it a healthy choice for overall well-being. Incorporating watermelon into a balanced diet can be a delicious and beneficial way to support kidney health and protect kidney cells from damage. However, it's essential to consume watermelon in moderation as part of a varied and nutrient-dense diet. In conclusion, incorporating these 4 fruits can improve your kidney health and help you lead a normal life without problems. However, don't forget to consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle for your overall health.